right, everybody. Welcome back to another edition
of Then Guy Tries.
Today we are reviewing a new flavor of M&Ms. It is the Cookie Crunch M&Ms. These are new this year. I've not seen them before. From my understanding, they probably just taste like the old crispy M&Ms, just different somehow. But we'll see. They smell just like regular. You want to smell? They smell just like regular M&Ms.
Because they're cookies inside.
They're cookies?
Inside, that's what the wrapper says.
Oh, they're mini M&Ms, so they're tiny. You want to get some?
Yeah.
Let's see here, you get some. Ready?
Disgusting. I give them like a 0.
Those are good. They taste like the classic crispy M&Ms. They're delicious. And they come in real sealable bags, so that's a plus. What would you give it?
0.
That bad?
Yeah.
I give them a 7. They're good for M&Ms. They're not peanut M&Ms, so, but they're not bad. Just gonna do it for this quick little review.
Oh, next time I'll see you around, or maybe I will.